Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the different types of fire extinguishers. So first of all we will see the different classes of the fires for which we have to use the specific type of fire extinguisher. So class A, class B, class C and class D and class E is electrical and class F. These are the classes of the fires. So in class A, the combustible materials burns, means this type of fire due to the combustible materials, and this includes the paper, textiles, woods and similar materials which are the solid, or the fire created due to the solid materials. In class B, the flammable liquids are there, and these includes the petrol, oil and the paints. The class C fires are due to the flammable gases, and these includes the butane and the methane. So for your information, the formula for the butane is C4H10 and the molecular formula for the methane is CH4. In a class D type of fire, the flammable metals burns, means these type of fires are due to the flammable metals such as potassium and the uranium. Class E, that is electrical fires, is due to the fire due to electrical appliances in kitchens as well as computers, phones, etc., as well as the, some appliances in kitchen such as washing machine, refrigerator, etc. Class F fires are due to the cooking oils, and it includes the cheap pan fires and deep fat fryers. Okay, so for these classes of fires, we have to use the different fire extinguishers. Here you can see there are 5 types of fire extinguishers. First one is a water type, foam type fire extinguisher, powder type, CO2, carbon dioxide and wet chemical type of fire extinguisher. So water type fire extinguisher, they are used on class A type of fire, and this is used on the fire which is created due to the paper, wood and coal and cardboard and other solid fuel fires. The class A and B type of fire, and on these classes of fires we can use the foam type of fire extinguisher. So these are used on solid fuel fires as well as flammable liquids. Powder type fire extinguishers, they are used any kind of fire except for class F, cooking oils. So here you can see how the signages on the fire extinguisher is shown. Like on water type fire extinguisher, it is in red in color and the words are in white in color. In this case you can see the background is in cream color and the name on that is in the red, means the words are in the red. And in the powder type fire extinguisher you can see the background is blue and the words are in white color. Next type of fire extinguisher is CO2, which is used for flammable liquid and electrical fires. So this can be used for class B electrical CO2 type of fire extinguisher, and the background means the background color is black and the words are in, that is CO2 is written in the white color. Next type of fire extinguisher is wet chemical, and they are used for the class A fire and class F fire, means they are used for cooking oil fires as well as combustible solid materials. So the background color is yellow and written word on it is in white color. So these are the types of different fire extinguisher and where they are we can use.